Okay, the customer asked about the do-it-yourself mini murals that I have on the website. All right, those are great, beautiful little murals. They take a lot less time to paint than the full ceiling. You don't have to line up string and line the things around. You know, it's just you put it up and you paint it, and that's it. And you take it down, you're done. And they're like a 4-foot diameter circle, 4-foot square, 4x5 rectangle, and a 7x7 or 7-foot diameter circle. That's the only one that comes in 2 pieces. Here's the deal. I will sell them as a standalone, but the price is, it's going to be under $200, but it's still going to be up there because of all the other costs. Now, if you're going to add, let's say you want 3 of the mini murals, well, your cost per each is going to go way down because I can add them in the same box, and you know, you can paint one different one in each room, and so the cost is going to be a lot more effective if you buy multiple. Otherwise, if you add it to the full ceiling kit, you're going to save a lot more than just buying one 4x4 square mini mural. That's going to still be expensive, and I'd rather see you add it to the full ceiling kit, or add maybe 2 or 3 mini murals to one kit. That would be a lot more cost effective.